on another project for Elite Exteriors. What this was before was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, extremely small, had caught fire. So we tore the roof off, went up a whole story, and you can kind of pan around and see what we've got here. So we're inside of a bedroom now with a closet. This is in the 2nd story. Walk with me and I'll kind of show you around. This is going to be a bathroom. We've got a foyer here. That's where the stairwell is. Here we've got a bedroom, another bedroom with a closet, and then this is the master bath. So what we're going to be doing here is, right here is going to be a shower, toilet, a tub, and then this will be a closet. On the other side of this wall will be a stackable washer and dryer. We're going to go back with the exterior. We'll be drive it, standing seam roof. It's going to be gorgeous. You got to see the before and afters. Stay tuned.